Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this NutraBlast's Feminine Balance Complex. This is a supplement that you are going to take, and it is really good for your gut health, and then it's also really good for feminine health. So if you are someone who maybe just wants to keep their pH levels balanced, if you are a girl, you know that anything that is so small, like it can seem like the smallest thing in the world, can throw off your pH balance. And it's really frustrating. This is something that is going to help regulate that. So it is made with 11 different natural ingredients. There's nothing chemically, there's nothing that isn't not natural. So it includes oregano leaf, aloe, anise seed. It has a ton of really good beneficial things that are going to keep your gut health and your feminine health really regulated. So I take this because sometimes I just have things that are a little bit off. If you're somebody who maybe struggles with occasional yeast infections or BV, those kind of things, this is something that you can take daily that is going to really help with those situations. It's not treatment, but it is like more preventative, which I like because I can just take it really easily with my other supplements that I take every single day. The pills themselves aren't very big at all. They're just about normal like supplement size, so not too big, not hard to swallow. This is a 60 caplet bottle and you take 2 a day. So it's a 30-day supply. I just really enjoy it. I've really seen benefits from it. I take it religiously now. So if you're someone who's wanting to just make sure their pH levels are balanced and keep everything kind of in check, I would highly recommend that you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.